In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your heading paragraph in Microsoft Word stays connected with the following text, avoiding any awkward page breaks that disrupt the flow of your document. Let's dive right into this simple yet powerful formatting feature that can make your documents appear more professional and readable. To begin, open your document in Word and click into or select the heading paragraph that you want to keep with the subsequent text. This is crucial because Microsoft Word needs to know which specific paragraph you're working on. Having your cursor in the right place is the first step towards achieving the seamless flow you desire. Next, you'll need to direct your attention to the Home tab at the top of your Word window. This is where the majority of your basic formatting tools are housed, and it's easy to find. Within the Home tab, look for the Paragraph group. The Paragraph group is your gateway to a range of formatting options that control the appearance and behavior of your text. Now, here's where you need to focus. The lower right corner of the Paragraph group contains a small arrow. This arrow is often referred to as a dialog launcher. By clicking on this small arrow, you're opening the Paragraph dialog, which provides a more detailed set of formatting features for you to work with. Once the Paragraph dialog is open, it brings up a new window with multiple tabs and settings. From here, you want to switch to the Line and Page Breaks tab. This tab is dedicated to controlling how lines and pages are organized within your document and is the key to achieving our goal of keeping the headings together with the following paragraphs. Within the Line and Page Breaks tab, you'll find a section labeled Pagination. Pagination settings govern how Word determines the end of one page and the beginning of another, specifically for the paragraph selected. In this section, look for an option labeled Keep with Next. By checking this option, you are instructing Word to avoid breaking a page between the selected heading paragraph and the following text. Essentially, you're telling Word to treat these paragraphs as a unit whenever possible, keeping them together on the same page. Finally, click the OK button to apply the changes. From this point onward, Word will do its best to maintain that heading paragraph on the same page as the text that follows, creating a cohesive and visually appealing document structure. By employing this simple setting, you ensure that your document maintains a professional appearance, enhancing its readability and impact. Using this setting can greatly enhance the clarity and professionalism of your documents, making them easier for your readers to follow. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you master your document formatting with ease.